Merry Christmas, y'all. I hope y'all got some rest for the holidays. Hopefully you're eating some good food, and make sure you guys drive safe. No drinking and driving, okay? This has been a popular trend recently, and it's something I guess I kind of wanted to do too, just because why not, to get into the Christmas spirit. Christmas lights on the fit. This is gonna take some time. I have some alcohol, just gonna wipe down the whole card, make sure everything sticks. I have some painter's tape. I'm not gonna keep them on the car for too long because I don't want it to scratch the paint or ruin the paint. Even though it is a daily, I still care about it. I have an inverter. I tested it for like a few minutes using one set of lights, and it looks pretty damn cool. I'm just hopping on the trend because why not? So sit back and relax, guys, and enjoy this video of me struggling to put on some Christmas lights. Okay, so the car has been wiped down with alcohol. Hopefully the paint should stick to it. I might go another round. This is getting tiring. I can see why this takes hours to do. An hour and a half later, all done. I kind of underestimated how many lights I had. I had 7 boxes of these lights. I was hoping to do more of a zigzag here and on the roof, but I just didn't have enough. And honestly, it's kind of a half-assed job too, because I just didn't have enough lights, so I had to like spread it out. But hey, I'm excited. The front looks really good. There's a lot of lights there. Let's turn off these lights. Oh yeah, also I can't get in through the door because of my poor planning. I had to get in through the trunk, which shouldn't be too bad, but that kind of sucks. But I'm hyped. Let's turn off the lights and give this a try. Let's see what it looks like. Don't mind the snowblower. Okay. The flickering, but oh my god. It's flickering a bit, but that looks so good. And it's snowing. Oh man. All right, let's, oh man. That looks really good. I'm actually surprised how good it looks.